How to apologize.
Life lessons with Fez.
Now, understand that an apology is a gift. It is not for you to say how the person receives your gift, but you give it because you mean to. You want to make amends. You want to apologize. You want to say sorry for the hurtful thing that you did or said. Look the person in the eye. Give them respect. Be humble. And you say, I am very sorry for hurting you. I did not mean to hurt you, but that's what resulted. Therefore, I'm so sorry. How can I make this better? And there we go. That's how to apologize.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch more of Fez's Common Sense Toolkit, visit fezaga.co/toolkit. Like and subscribe and follow at Fezaga and Company on social media platforms, as well as on Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee. See you next time.